My name is Gina Mari, and I'm an esthetician here in Los Angeles. And while we're all sitting here at home, I wanted to educate you on SPF and give you some myths and some facts. So, I only need to apply SPF one time per day. That's a myth. You technically really do need to apply your sunscreen multiple times per day. If you're out and about, usually it's about 2 hours you need to reapply, and once a day just won't cut it. If I have naturally darker skin tone, I don't sunburn. Myth. Every skin tone needs to apply SPF to have proper sun protection. Sunscreen does expire. That's a fact. Sunscreen, just like any other type of product, does have an expiration date, so make sure to double check that date before you apply it to make sure it's effective. If my sunscreen says that it's waterproof, I can be in the ocean all day long, I can be swimming all day long and not have to reapply. No, that's a myth too. If you're going to be swimming or you're going to be participating in any water sports, apply your sunscreen 10 to 15 minutes before you get in the water. That'll help penetrate and it'll help protect you even more. If I go into a tanning bed and give myself a base coat, I won't need to use sunscreen. No, that's not true. Any type of exposure to your skin with UVA or UVB rays is, you need to be protected. If it's a cloudy day, I don't need to wear sunscreen. No, that's a myth too. The UVA and UVB rays still penetrate even if it's a cloudy day. If you're gonna go outside and you wanna be protected, no matter what the weather's like, apply your SPF. You should wear sunscreen even when you're indoors. It's a fact. We are all at home right now, so we're spending a lot more time on our computers, on our cell phones, and that's blue light. That's also very harmful. IPSY sent me this great sunblock that I'm really excited about because not only does it help you from UVA and UVB lights, but it helps protect you from harmful blue light. This was really fun. I'm so glad I got to share some of my information about SPF with you guys. And if you have any interesting myths or facts or questions, please feel free to comment below and I would love to start a conversation with you.